Hey guys, my name's Kieran, welcome to Crypto Gems. Today we're going to be looking at some technical analysis for Cardano and where the price could be moving in the next few weeks. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. As we can see, there has been a pretty strong bullish signal here and it's actually beaten its previous all-time high, as you can see there. So what we're going to do when we're in this sort of unknown territory is look and see where price may retrace to after a reversal, and also how and where is price going to move next. So the way we're going to look at where price might retrace to is using the Fibonacci tool. So with the Fibonacci tool drawn out like that, from its low to the high, we can see that on these three key levels, if I just highlight them here with a horizontal line, we've got this level, and this level. So if I just remove the Fibonacci so you can see, I'll keep it up for now. The 0.382 level, the 0.5 level, and the 0.618 level are all three key levels within the Fibonacci sequence, which supports this tool for where price is going to retrace to and move to. So if I just remove it and we go with this middle level, because we're going to go with this middle level because price here has experienced some demand and some sticking where price has interacted, as shown by that red candle during the up move. The reason I'm confident that it will retrace here is due to this double top that's formed. So this double top here shows a pullback and price coming up again to meet it. So because we'd say that's a valid double top reversal of the trend, we're going to assume that price retraces to around here, which is where the 50% retracement was. And with this information, we can work out where price might move to next using something called the trend-based Fibonacci extension. So we go from the bottom of the move to the top of the move and then down to where price is likely to retrace. And as we can see here, through extension, there is level number 1 at the top here at around $3.50 and level number 2 at around 3.31, and these two are key levels for the extension, 0.786 and 3.54. So what we're expecting to see really is price to retrace, and what might happen when price retraces to this level is you might buy back in. And now when you buy back in, you may want to store your cryptocurrency, your Cardano, in a hardware wallet, more like something like TREZOR. Rather than your software wallet, the TREZOR wallet acts as a sort of USB stick, but it's kind of more than that because there's a login, you have a wallet ID, and you can transfer directly to your TREZOR wallet from a cryptocurrency exchange or wallet such as MetaMask. The TREZOR wallet's got high security and there's all-round customer support, as well as easy to use interface. So say here you bought in and then you, with your TREZOR wallet and you're holding Cardano, what's going to happen is price is going to either rise to here or here, and what's likely to happen then is another reversal. So we see price come down again, and this is where we would perform another Fibonacci retracement. And then really this bullish momentum can only be stopped by a major event. As we've seen previously, back in May, there was news from China which caused the slight bearish market throughout the whole crypto market. That is the only real new news that may prevent Cardano from continuing to grow because it's got such bullish momentum at the moment. So yeah, what we can expect to see is the retracement, a move upwards, and then maybe another retracement. So that's all for the technical analysis today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to give us a like and add any comments if you have any questions. Be sure to subscribe to Crypto Gems to see other great content like this. That's all for now, and see you next time.